Mocktail. Yes. Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one more fancy mocktail. This is the blue coconut island. How to make that blue coconut island? First of all, take a shaker glass and you have to add first of all 10 ml of blue cocoa syrup, 10 ml of blue cocoa syrup. After that, you have to pour 10 ml of coconut syrup. Then you have to pour 5 ml of lime cordial. Then you have to squeeze on lemon in this. Just okay. After that, you have to add some ice cream into the. Then you have to pour 120 ml of 40 40. This is the 120 ml of. Actually, you can add some more 40 so that you have to pour 180 ml of lychee juice. Then just shake all the ingredients properly. Take any type of fancy glass and pour all the mixture into the. See how the blue coconut blue island. Then you can garnish with some lime slices and serve with some straw. After that, you have to garnish with some mint leaf. This is the blue coconut island mocktail. Yes, very fancy mocktail you can try. I hope most of the people they like this mocktail. This is the blue coconut island mocktail. You can try. You can see that. I hope you like this cocktail and try this. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video.